In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set limits for different field questions in Google Forms. Whether you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or simply managing responses more efficiently, setting limits can be an essential tool. Let's dive in so you can get started with this useful feature right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, navigate to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an icon for apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where we gather all the nifty tools Google has to offer, including Forms. So now inside the drop-down menu that appears, select Forms. This action will take you to where you can create new forms or edit existing ones. Now that we're in Forms, the next step is to choose which form you want to work with. If you already have a form in mind, select it from your list. If not, you could create a new form by clicking on the blank form template. Let's assume you have a form ready to go. Great. Click on it to open. Once your form is open, let's talk about enhancing it by adding limits. For this, look towards the top of your form's interface. You'll find an option labeled Add-ons in the toolbar. This usually presents itself with a puzzle piece icon, an inviting sign that there are more tools available than meet the eye. Click on Add-ons to open a new window showcasing various options. Now locate and select the form choice limiter, or perhaps something known as the choice eliminator, depending on what you've added to Google Forms. These add-ons are the keys to managing your field limits effectively. After clicking, seek out an option to configure the settings for these add-ons. This will usually be labeled Configure or something similar. Give it a click and you're on your way to setting up those field limits. Here you can decide the specifics, like how many responses a particular question can receive, or cut the submissions off after achieving a certain number. Once you've set your desired limits, scroll down to the bottom of the configuration panel. You'll find a save button. Don't forget to click it. This action confirms your settings and ensures everything is locked in place. There's just one last thing. After saving your settings within the add-on, make sure to finally click Save Again on your Google form. This ensures all your modifications are captured and secured. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to set limits on Google Forms field questions, optimizing your data collection with precision. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to reach out with any questions or explore other videos for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy form managing.